Welcome back to my Tech YouTube channel. In this video we are going to be learning how to set up Chizzytribe VPN application in all countries and on all networks. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this with your friend. This VPN application works in all countries and on all networks. So I set up the tutorial. You're going to go to Google Play Store and download this VPN application to ensure the right VPN and the spellings. So come to Google Play Store and search for Chizzytribe VPN. And this is the VPN application I'm talking about. It uses the SSH WebSocket UDP DNS and other servers. So the logo will be looking like this, and it's about like 30 MBs. Make sure you have a running data bundle to download this VPN application. After downloading it, open the VPN application. Just help us and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Help us and like our video so that it can be moving and reach to all kinds of people who need these VPN applications. So this is a disclaimer that the video I'm making right now, it is for educational purposes only. We are not after any telecom network, so the user must use this VPN application at his or her own risk. We are not responsible for any harm caused by the user or the VPN service itself. So you are responsible if you are going to use this VPN application, because it is going to be working and provide you with some services which are out of the law. So come right here where you have these three dashes, and then come where you have the update configuration, and then wait for a few moments to update this VPN application. Wait for a few moments. After this VPN application has been updated, we are going to come here where we have the auto select server, and then we come and choose a server which is near to our location. I recommend us to be using the auto select server so that this VPN application will be automatically selecting a server. So we're going to come right here where you have direct, and then we shall be choosing we're going to be choosing, we have all country free 1, all country free 2, and all country free 3. It works in many countries and networks, so I recommend you to use any one of those. But if you are in Uganda, you need an additional data bundle called Learn from Home from Airtel Uganda. So choose. After choosing, you come where we have the connect button and connect. Wait for a few moments for it to connect. As it has connected, I sign out.